from today. In 30 days, again, we're going to reach out to the facility. If he's gone, then we know he hasn't been forthcoming with us. And then at that point, we'll revoke and raise. So right now, I'll reinstate. What's the cause number again? Real quick. It's on the front page.
255.
Okay.
7267.
7267. Did you get it, Diane?
Yeah.
Okay, so on Gamon, reinstate. And then he checked in on the 10th, right? So let's do 6/10. Let's make sure that's that day. Yeah, that's a Wednesday. So we'll reset to 6/10. Appearance required. Okay, I think we're good. Thanks, Ms. McDonough. Okay, thanks, Brian.
It's 80 days. And it's his turn. It's probably Billy, you sit, you get them all Billy's bar. Sit, you go through the cast. No, there's no. I had another very good. Yeah, I think first she can Billy and. No. You get the community like. Go reads. Very few part of work action. What was it? No, we could do that. Look how weird it is. That you don't maybe that car. How long was she doing? Was she? Yo, I'm sorry. I ended up not trying to crazy. This guy who crashed into the back. It was a neighbor's home. They called the police. 10 minutes. So it's funny, turning it at 30, 2-5. You respect my job. So, yeah. Engaged. What's your point? Well, that is it. Okay, it's still what it Nope. Nope. I think you should want to be
You don't even, but then, yeah, this is going to be this one. Really? Yeah.
source code, yes, and source code. Of course, 3, 4, yes, where there. Yes, it is for my way up.
This one. This is one. Yes.
That's where information to programmer say I was coding a machine for like that will but that's what it's called. That's just ultimately code stuff. Maybe the other sheet is so. Did it like an error. Yes. For sure rates.
Getting good, it's one thing.
And we can probably line up Mr. Davis.
Yes, ma'am, but what's the credit? I'll get you to what you want, young people see over.
Well, we want to be Mr. Fox, right? Mr. Travis, I'll start with like the burn page. And yeah. Make an application.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Wait, it's very much. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is this a true first?
Let me double check, Judge. Not found. Yes, Judge, it is.
So is a PTI gone wrong? Is that what it
Yes,
was?
sir, you are.
That's right. Okay, Mr. Chavez, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you have done. You need to understand, sir, that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. What we're doing today, it is now a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
You can't pick up the newspaper.
You pick up another
30
DWI,
days.
it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. You understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? I'm going to find you guilty, follow this agreement, sentence you to it. I am going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
And then I've waived the fees.
Yes, sir, thank you.
You got it. Thank you, Mr. Dean.
Yes, sir.
First board elections. Collections office on the first.
Okay.
I didn't.
Yeah. He kind of got
Right. Have a great day.
First floor, honey. Wednesday. All right, it's amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning, Joe.
Hey, morning. Pretty good. You?
Well, fine.
Hey, I'm live streaming, just so you know.
That's wrong.
You're looking good.
You too. Okay. I think first one, what I would do is you can talk about all the I have to take your range first. Student making course. Yeah.
Hey, hi. What's up? Reese?
We approach?
Yes.
Thank you, Chad.
Is it?
Thank you so much. Good morning, ladies.
Hi, what's up?
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Taylor Swift. I'm sorry, Meg Adams.
That's what you
I'm
call us.
sorry. I call that
Nice
so
to
much.
meet you.
Judge. So just because our group is large, we're dividing.
Today?
So,
You have-
tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah, so
Oh,
Taylor is gonna be helping me tomorrow. So I just wanted her to be
Sure, of
familiar with the
course.
judges.
Okay.
So we just met, she was introduced to Judge Ramirez, and then now I wanted to introduce her to you.
yeah.
So Judge, will you be in trial tomorrow? Okay.
We were expected to, and then it just kind of fell through. So,
Okay.
no,
Okay. No worries.
we'll just be
So-
doing arraignments.
Okay, that's good, Judge. Okay, so, I'll just kind of look around and see if another, because some of them are too young to be in
You
a
know,
felony.
I know that I was just talking to a judge today.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you said they're too young to be in felony
That,
court?
now, I do need a felony court. Some of the groups are 10th grade and 12th. And,
Give me-
and most of the group are ninth grade. So that's why I'm taking them to misdemeanor court. And then, yeah, hoping that they can see a misdemeanor trial.
I'll send a message to see who's in trial for
Okay.
tomorrow.
Okay.
And then I know that I spoke to Judge Bell, and I think she's in the 185th.
And that.
She should be in trial in a murder case. I don't know
Okay,
if
so that's okay for my 10th, 11th, and 12th, but not my ninth grade.
Okay, let me put a feeler out to see who's in
Okay.
trial for tomorrow, and then
And
I
you'll
can
have-
let you know
Okay, Judge. I
if
understand.
someone's in.
Right, if they,
Yeah.
okay, Judge. We appreciate it. So
Yes.
Swift, Miss McAdams is not as vocal as I am. She's getting there. So, but yeah.
No one
Judge.
is spoken to you.
Okay.
Don't be afraid. Really, it's, we're all-
But anyway, Judge, she's gonna
Following
be
in
helping
great
me out.
shoes.
I'm so happy.
So quiet.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes,
Going
absolutely.
Tomorrow.
Yes,
And
and
hopefully
then
you or Miss Victoria, if you don't mind, she usually communicates with me too, so if you
I'll
give
let her
her a
know.
message, yes,
Yep,
sir.
I'll
She'll
send a
it
message
to me.
right now.
Okay, good. Thank you so much. Wait, you can be excused.
Yes, of
Thank you.
course. See you guys
Enjoy the
tomorrow.
rest of your day. Okay. Bye, Brian. Thank you, ladies. Good morning.
So we have a chief that was there. She is 6. Now we get that because they back to the problem. That was that is It's not my case. I mean, it's really.
Okay, counsel.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
How you doing?
What's up?
Your Honor, for Mr. Jefferson Rosales.
Okay.
Should appearance away.
Rosales.
He's got 2 cases pending.
Okay,
I did speak to the state, the PTI offer was made, essentially, to allowing your management to take decision making, 8 hours community service.
great. We'll give you 2 weeks.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
See that now, I just see them call him.
Let him know he's got to be done in 2 weeks. If he doesn't have it done, he's got to be here.
Yes, sir.
And then I'm gonna roll him day for day until he gets it done. Let him know.
Understood.
Okay, have fun.
You tell.
Mr. Hack, ready?
Hey, good morning, Jimmy.
Hey, good morning.
Approaching on Mr. Harlow.
Okay.
Harlow.
Jail or bond?
Bond.
Okay, what's the word?
Judge, so I wanted to ask if we can move this case to, after July 15th. I know it's a ways out. So because of this case, her license was suspended for a period of 90 days, which is up on.
Because of
July
which
4th.
case? He said because of this case, it was suspended.
The driving without a license, insurance.
We didn't suspend it.
No, not the court, DPS.
Because of this case?
That's, yes.
It's still open.
Well,
It's got to be something else. Can you pull up, you're just driving around?
So I'm showing that there was a suspension from April 16th, 2026 through July 14th, 2026.
I have that same, and it does say DWLI. That's the reason.
From where? Does it tell you where? They're not going to suspend on a DWLI unless there's some kind of plea, an open case. They can't suspend it. I mean, she must have gotten a DWLI elsewhere and maybe a ticket or something like that that led to it.
There's no.
That's really weird. It's got to be something else. I don't know.
So yeah, that's all the information. I don't know if there's any case.
So the thing is this, is that I'm happy to give you more time, but I want to know that everything's done by that time. So
Sure.
typically they'll need a reinstatement fee that's paid. They're going to need probably, so what I'd like, I'm with you, but I want to make sure that it gets done. I don't want to get to July 15th and, oh, now we need to do something else. So what I'd like to do is this. So let's reset it a week. I want her to contact DPS. I'll give you the phone number to reach out. Aside from waiting until July 15th, what else do I proactively have to do to make sure that my license gets reinstated? Because she may need an SR 62 or whatnot. They may need insurance. They may need a reinstatement fee. So there's multiple things that she's going to need just
Yes,
aside from waiting for.
I'm pretty sure that she's aware of what all she needs to do. She sent me the certificate.
Is she here
that
now?
Completed I'm sorry.
Is she here now?
She's not.
Okay.
So she sent me the certificate that she completed the driver education course.
Okay.
And then she's also made an appointment for her actual driving test, which I have approved on July 15th.
Here's the number to DPS.
Yes, sir.
I'll set you off 2 weeks.
Okay.
I want her, please, to contact DPS between that time. Tell her to call at 7 in the morning. Don't call at 9. Don't call at 10. You'll never get through. As soon as the phone line's open at 7 is when she needs a call. Call them and ask, hey, aside from this, is there anything else am I gonna need? Am I gonna need an SR 22? Am I gonna need some other SR? Am I gonna need to pay the reinstatement fee? So that when we hit July 15th and she does those things, once she gets that paper license, they'll.
Excuse me, show you why. Is it starting? Yeah, that's been again. Yeah,
How long she expired?
so 2023, she didn't renew.
Yeah. So when your license is expired more than 2 years, you have to retest on everything.
Was it mandatory? Oh, it's still mandatory.
She's been suing, you've been doing so many ODLs, she knows DPS.
No, she has a permanent suspension
Is that the April through the July? Yeah, so that would.
This one is the new one, okay?
Do you see another DWI, Ramona?
So as my she got that. Okay. She got that. It was mandatory. That was another mandatory. That was when we did the April the 25th. Then now they move over here. And okay, she appeared.
But what we had.
She's expired. That's why she don't apply for that.
And then this one.
And then that the promise is that you won't live until you. I don't know. What you want first to go.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You need to call DPS because they'll give you the right information. But I want to be proactive. I don't want to wait just till July 15th. So let's set it 2 weeks, have her call DPS in the interim, call at 7 a.m. Like 6:59 is when she needs to get on the phone and start calling over there. So she gets through, ask them what she needs to do aside from just a driving test. And then when can she take it? Does she need to make the appointment now?
Right, and if you log into the other one, it'll be, I mean, okay, so all of this is gonna clear, but it'll tell you.
On the eligibility,
Yes,
okay.
it'll tell you exactly what she needs to do,
okay.
in addition to calling. I mean, she can call too, but the main thing is.
I have better luck
She
calling.
didn't renew.
Just,
Thank you for breaking that down.
yeah.
Judge,
So 2 weeks, got to be here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Thank
And
you.
then just let us know.
Yes, sir.
Good luck. What's that? Good job. I know it's got.
I didn't know if you could hear me. No. I didn't know if the speaker was on.
No, I don't think it might be on.
And
We
I could
haven't-
hear you going, oh, I wanna know. It sounds like we're just gonna go there.
Mr. Kim,
It's only just Bill's already on the Zoom. I was
Oh,
gonna ask
hold
for a
on.
little bit more time.
okay, yeah, he's logging in now. What is, did we get, do you know if we got Mr. Patel?
So I did learn that it's actually 1 count of embezzlement and 8 counts of PCS, so the sheriff's office reversed it, but.
Can you hear us?
I
Bill?
can, yes, Judge. Yes,
Bill?
sir. I can hear you.
I
Yes,
need
thank you.
a little bit more time. I finally got a hold of the actual ADA on the case. I'm waiting for a text message from him because he wants to look up something real quick. When you mentioned about the supervision. And so if you can give me a little time, it's either going to be good news or potentially upsetting news. I don't know yet.
Well, meanwhile, Judge, if we could just get him a bond, he can get to Tennessee and address this. His wife is in the courtroom now. They can have a ticket for him tomorrow to be in Chattanooga.
Right. I'm saying if I get the text message and it's good, it's going to be irrelevant.
Right, but meanwhile, he's sitting in jail.
I mean,
No, he's saying he's going to dismiss the case, Philip,
I'm
Oh,
saying,
dismiss the case that's in Tennessee?
the fugitive case.
yes.
Sure, but is it going to take longer than it would take to pay the bond? Because the family can pay the bond in full and get their money back when the fugitive case is dismissed either way.
It's going to be today. It's going to be this morning. I just don't know.
When he says this, I'm assuming maybe like an hour or two.
Okay.
you know,
Oh, okay. Very good.
Before the end of docket.
I mean,
Got it.
yeah.
Guys, did you get Mr. Patel back there? You got him?
So just give me a little time, and I say this to other cases, like, obviously, if they want to pay the bond, we can pay the bond, but then they're just wasting money if I dismiss the case, right? It's spending money unnecessarily. So if they want to do it, that's their freedom to do so, but it's just wasting money. So,
And Judge, if I could propose a middle ground, I mean, if it's just an hour or so, it's fine. But if it takes any longer, if we could do like a $10,000 bond or something, the family can go and pay the $10,000 bond. They'll get their $10,000 back, however long it takes the jail to give it back to them.
Yeah, let's give him at least an hour.
Yeah,
Phil?
that's fine. Yeah, I'll log back in an hour.
Hold on. I think I have your number. Let me see. Because
Yeah, you
I'll
should.
reach out to you.
And Day's got it too.
Yeah, I got your, the 1587, right?
Yes, sir. That's the one.
Okay, I'll reach out to you as soon as I hear from Jay. If by 11:30 I don't hear anything, at that point, we can regroup.
Okay, that sounds great. Thank you.
Yeah? Okay.
Thanks, Phil.
All right, thanks, Phil.
Thanks, thank you, Judge.
Take care.
You too.
Hi, Doug.
Good morning.
What's up, man? Happy Tuesday.
Mamo, MAMO on the top.
Okay,
Just a standard letter discovery for in your.
got it.
That's it.
I'll sign it.
Thank you.
Have a great Tuesday.
All right, you too.
Have fun.
Good to see you.
You too.
Everybody's happy today. I love it. We just bottle this thing up.
Anytime you're above ground, my friend.
Yeah, that's true. Good luck. That's the general with the. Make a little weird. Didn't say that ever wrong. A preschool. Jeez, what do they take colors? Okay. First one, the board. No, it is not. Yeah. Oh, we have two different things.
I saw it.
See, I was little, yeah, that was the, so you know what it's, they are terrible, terrible. So you, they still want it. That's not the thing, it was that good for it, so I don't need. Okay, certainly. And so everyone name, my name, the middle of I just, I'll let my kid be his own person. Can I, he's actually not, I think you got. Yeah, the other one is one inside. Yeah, I do it. Yeah, so I see your point. Yeah. Which one? There's. Miller inspired. Soon as I heard this stuff. Okay. It is. Yeah, it's all on. It's sort of an on. Also, it's very extreme. I don't see they may do it yet, but I assume there's one company slide since they have to go. My big question is, if we that energy just. That or that all. So once I see that MJ. Okay. She was trying to think he's like that. That would be a problem.
Oh, right, sorry. I always forget.
Oh, no, yeah, we will be there and like those ones that show us
That's fine. I think, I mean, I don't care, the one who pays, all the way.
Hey, have you guys spoken to Anna? She's still coming? Miss Edie? Is Anna still coming? Is Anna still coming today?
Supposed to. I don't know, she's not coming. Saw her in the hall.
Do you think she wants it on the record?
Yes,
Yeah?
yeah, I mean, that way if UPS is just bigger, she gets that record. Yes, you
Jordan,
I don't understand. Oh, actually.
Can I get you right now? We might. Yes, you're right now. No.
You have to get the, what happened, the order of Everybody's going on. It's like a mall. No. This would be.
I mean, he's having conversations over this first. But. And then the other one is. Yeah, the one you said under those.
Well, I think maybe the issues.
Like, I'm very confident. That's weird. Not booked or released.
So you make, okay, I mean.
Yep, bail it over, spend it, it's. Yeah. I think, well, I'm gonna sort it.
I mean, hell,
Show, you scan, because they filed it.
you will, I mean.
The hell?
Completely.
Well, I guess that's my call. Oh, so.
Did someone else?
yes, sir, we have a plea on, Jovan Jordan.
Okay. Thanks. Mr. Jordan, come up. First, this. All right, good morning, Mr. Jordan. So you're charged with resisting arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 6 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. This charge will go on your record. It will be there forever, Mr. Jordan. You need to understand that as a result, you will now be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail if you pick up another Class A misdemeanor. Do you understand? As part of this plea bargain agreement, ma'am, just take a seat, please. You just take a seat for me. Let's finish this and then. As part of this plea bargain agreement, your criminal trespass will be dismissed, I'm assuming, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this how you understand the agreement? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to test your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, charge at the open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This is final today. You can never change this or undo this. Do you understand? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of resisting arrest, sir?
Guilty or not guilty?
I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck, Mr. Jordan.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. You too. Take care.
So this way.
Morning, Judge.
Hey,
I'm gonna take your time.
You're talking about Mr.
Andrade. Ach, du lieber Augustin. What are we going to do?
So he's being compliant. These allegations technically are from before,
I know,
so.
but how on earth are you going to do it?
I mean, he either has to post a bond or maybe like John had suggested that if he doesn't bond out, that once his 12 months is up, maybe you could unsat term him because we can't really terminate a DWI, deferred adjudication.
What do you think? How do we go forward?
I mean, he's likely going to be in custody for all
For,
these cases. I mean, these cases are gonna take a long time to work out.
yeah,
So they're not gonna be done in 2 months. I expect him to be in custody, unless they reduce the bond and he bonds out, in which case he can keep going. But if he stays in custody, if he violates.
do you know if he's planning on bonding out?
I'm about to go ask him, Your Honor.
I guess figure that out.
Yes, sir.
We'll hold it for some time and just figure out, see if he's going to get out. At some point, if he doesn't, then yeah, those are high bonds and he's been in custody now for what, 2 months at least, right?
Yeah, he's already got a new court date in June.
And I'm assuming that nothing quick is going to, like you said, right? Things are going to last for,
183rd, Lance Long, Judge Lance Long, so I don't think.
is he pretty,
He's one of the appointed judges, and so he's gonna be.
Is he
tough
pretty
on
fit?
bonds.
oh, well, I mean, is he efficient?
Oh, he's very efficient, but these cases, I mean, we have, because I was in the Crimes Against Children Division, there's such a backlog that the prosecutor is gonna be trying cases from a couple of years ago before these are gonna get tried. So it's gonna take,
Okay.
it's not gonna be 2 months.
Yeah, from my experience with the PD, anytime there was these kind of cases, it would take like 2 years. But like, and that's like fast tracked, right? Like,
Mhm.
so.
So I think he's on hold for his probation while he's in custody. Whatever violation he picks up, court can always unsat term him.
Yeah,
Once
I
it gets
guess.
to 12 months, but.
And I'll see if he is gonna bond out, but I mean, if he hasn't bonded out, I don't think he's
Right.
going to.
I guess just let me know. I'm at really at your mercy, Martin. I don't know how long you want to reset it or whatnot.
I'll reset it for a month and then. like-
At that point, if he's still in, then let's just, yeah,
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, all right.
May I be excused?
thanks. Yes, sir.
Martin, who's the next court date?
Hey,
Judge, is Bill still on Zoom?
no, you want me to call him?
All right.
No, give me a second. I'll call. Are you gonna,
I just need to, yeah.
all right, hold on.
Hey, gentlemen, we got all about here.
They might work this early. Happy birthday. I don't, I think the only other. Okay, got it.
I just texted him. It went straight to voicemail, so
I mean, I emailed him as well, so I thought he'd be on, but.
no. I mean,
Yeah, no, it's just this. Okay. So
That means it's technically already being. It'll be full rest. No, I swear.
hey, I was thinking,
No, I mean, I think that's what we're telling them to do. But once they're arraigned,
Yeah.
Okay.
lost it, it's essentially not swearing, well, but I mean, but treated the same.
just move for a DV or something.
Well, so.
Right?
Judge, I don't know if technically we need to swear a witness, because that's when jeopardy attaches in a bench trial. But I don't know if that's to be preceded by the arraignment and the judgment.
I don't think so.
Well, but if the verdict is gonna be like 30 seconds after you start, it's.
Right, we would just, just go,
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any opening? No, we'll waive
I
it.
mean, I read the information, I have to arraign them.
Sure.
Plead not guilty, or she'll plead not guilty, and then.
The rest,
You can move for direct verdict or not,
Okay.
yeah.
that'll be it.
Is your client here?
Yeah, I told her 10:30, Judge. She should be
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Or not.
The reasons for it, we do that.
I know, but it just says.
Yeah.
Okay, I just,
Call your lawyer. We're trying to get a hold of him. I called him. I couldn't get a hold of him. Call your lawyer. We're waiting for him.
no, but I'm just saying, you've probably seen this more than we have.
Yeah. I mean, also, like, I'm not gonna appeal it. So even if there was some kind of strange jeopardy.
I'm a worrier and I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so
Yeah.
To be fair, I can think of 6 scenarios where I'm gonna be involved, that's my job is thinking of. those.
yeah, that's.
Like, I can find a way to invest in door, but that's.
Sure you can, but
That's all I
stop.
do. My bad.
Yeah, I wanted to think, come on, we
Sure. Oh, dear.
You're right. Where are you from? 11.
Oh, that's what time?
Well, I helped Amy take a jury yesterday.
Oh, okay. I thought we had a family we had.
No,
It's fine. Is anything going on? What's that?
He does occasionally at shops that he was.
No. No, that's true. Very tired. Yeah.
You really gotta make an officer upset.
Usually I use the total time really killing that.
That's all I think, it's just.
Have you talked to Conrad, like Conrad and Jacob? So.
I don't like to assume there was like that.
I mean, yeah, well, it's a piece of farm. You have to go out and see them, so don't be satisfied. I go gas it out yesterday. All that stuff. For other prosecution.
So usually when it's. Yeah, no, I think it was. I think he had said. He had a jury trial study.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured that.
Yes.
Okay, which one, 2022. So. Yeah, I thought I heard, okay, well, an extra. So, I mean, those dismissed. Okay. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Good morning. We're all your business. Sorry. Plugged in. What's up, bro?
One time.
It's okay. What's up?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good to see you. I like your suit. This is a good suit. Yeah.
You all. Yeah.
All right. It's not like you're fully. Yeah, it's like your load. Make sure.
Oh, yes, I do. He was, so it's somebody.
Yeah, so you have. Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Good morning, girl.
We'll do our.
Hey, please, always.
Fugitive dates. Last name
No.
dates. On the fugitive drugs.
We'll look at it and let you know.
Officer said, that's not enough.
Something administrative is happening.
So she has two fugitive cases there. The Alabama was easy because the waiver was already signed, it's reset for pickup, no problem. There's a second fugitive case, which I learned, we confirmed this morning was from Mississippi, but it's still in processing, and they didn't catch, the sheriff's office didn't catch it until I pointed it out. So they're now, they're doing it as of 45 minutes ago. And so I don't know if it's gonna be in the next hour or next 24 hours, because obviously it takes time, they have to confirm with.
Do you mean to get the waiver or what?
No, to assemble the packet. So they had the initial hit, so whenever someone gets arrested, they have to confirm the hit. And they confirmed Alabama, but nobody ever confirmed Mississippi. And my guess is because they already got the confirmation for Alabama and he wasn't gonna be, or she wasn't gonna be released, nobody looked into Mississippi.
But
Because
that shouldn't impact the time for Alabama to come get
for
her.
Alabama, no, but Mississippi hasn't started, because technically she isn't booked in yet.
And she hasn't signed the waiver yet, even though she really wants to.
Because she can't sign a waiver, right, because the waiver doesn't attach to a packet that hasn't
So-
been filed. So it's, hopefully it's this morning, but I truly can't say whether it's gonna take the day because. they
Well,
have to
so
get from-
which is the more serious case? Which one wants
I
her
don't know.
more?
There's nothing on the Mississippi, it could be a DWI, it could be
You
murder,
have
I
no
have
clue.
no idea. I have literally, I just know it's Mississippi and they're confirming the hit, that
Which
is
is
all.
Which is too bad because, I mean.
So do you want to just hold it until later today or do you want to roll
Well,
till
that's
tomorrow?
Because if it's within the next hour, obviously I can go ahead and sort out the waiver, but I can't even type it out because I don't know what the charge is.
Okay, well, I guess let's just, we're in a holding pattern and
Rules
and
tomorrow.
So,
at the latest, we roll it to tomorrow.
Right. Because now they caught her. So yesterday, quite frankly, I thought, yesterday, I thought they would confirm it and then, or catch it and then update it today. And then obviously this morning I checked and they didn't, which is why
Okay.
it prompted me to email, so.
That's fine, I just, there's no way that she can
Tell your client, sorry.
sign a waiver today for someone that doesn't lose yet.
Is she even here? Do we even have her?
Yeah.
She is, but she can't be, I mean,
She came up yesterday too, when was she arrested even?
the original arrest was the 7th, but again, like everything else, the processing, because typically for investigating hold, they have up till 3 days legally. But that didn't even come into play because she's legally held on Alabama, so it could have been all the way up until the end. They didn't check because she's legally held on the Alabama warrant.
Luckily you
Nobody-
found it, huh? Now,
So we roll.
she could have
tomorrow.
been, could have been worse.
Right, I'll let her know.
Okay, I guess roll to tomorrow for now, unless you get something in
If I
in
find it
between.
this afternoon, I will immediately send it to you.
So if she.
No, but regardless though, I
So you have
mean,
to sign the waiver.
she gotta sign
And
it.
then file it with.
Well, the clock would start today, and this is even assuming that Mississippi would come pick her up before Alabama, because typically it's whomever signs it first, or if it's a more egregious offense. Obviously, if it's a murder, they're gonna pick her up first.
Yeah.
But even if it came through today, we wouldn't really be able to have a signed waiver until tomorrow. So.
Well,
Unless there's something I don't know.
no, 'cause they don't have to get mag. Judge can do it, it's just typically they get mag first.
No, but she's talking about signing the actual waiver.
Oh, well, I mean, if it's this afternoon and submitted before, I'm just making up the time at 3 PM, I mean,
So I would have to go to the jail
yes.
before.
Well, assuming that
Yes.
that holds,
We
but
can, I mean,
it's a maybe. I'll
however
send
you guys you want to.
It'll be tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll let her know.
Okay, all right. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's
I
up?
have a misopinion.
When?
Last night at 7:30.
Is she here?
She's not.
That's a problem.
Oh, well, that's all on the front shift, so it's for criminal trespass. State's just asking for no contact.
No, but I have to arraign her. I gotta like at least one time.
So she had like a mental breakdown. She's pregnant, she had a mental breakdown, like, went to jail. So her mom, she's from California.
To what?
She's from California. She was living with her, this is her lived in Florida. She was living with him. She had a breakup. She was in a hotel for a couple days. Goes back to the house with her stuff. She goes to jail. It's that like, and then she had like a mental breakdown. Mom was concerned for her safety, so threw her back to California. So if we could just do like 2 weeks, we said.
No. I can't give her preferential treatment. I mean, I have to treat her just like every other person. I'm willing to give you a day or two, but she's got to be arraigned.
So they can book a flight. She had to book a flight.
How do I even know that she's in California? I mean-
I spoke with mom. She's living with mom.
Are we supposed to take what they just say for,
I understand.
You know?
Mom.
they get a court order telling them to be here at a certain day, at a certain time. I'm willing to give you until Monday. If she's not here on Monday, I'm gonna revoke the bondo.
Okay.
We usually never give more than two at the mid,
I
3 days, but
I totally understand.
Yeah.
Again, this is a situation that came our way our last time.
okay, so we'll SFBF Monday. She's got to be here at that time. If she's not here, let her know. It's gonna be a whole hell of a lot worse because if I issue a warrant, if she gets picked up in California, she's gonna sit in custody for, okay? Okay, man.
Thanks, Judge.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, hi, Herman. Yeah, come on up.
It's not on the docket, but I talked to John since it's coming out.
Okay.
I give you the cause number.
Please.
261
Okay.
2996, and he has a companion MAJ. We've talked, we've done the rep, he has PTSD, he's a veteran. We provided that documentation, from the first case. We are seeing if you would allow him to stay on with an extension.
Great state of Texas.
So
What
Judge,
say you?
there's 3 issues on the MAJ. 2 of them are related to the harassment charge. The other one, there's a lot of positive marijuana tests. The harassment, from my understanding, is the defendant had shown up to her complainant's house, was threatening her, was asking for his gun back. It sounded like the complainant had the gun, and Herman, correct me if I'm wrong in anything. But, and at some point.
I vaguely remember, right?
This argument, the defendant had jumped on the complainant, didn't cause her any pain, which is why it's not an assault, but was yelling at her, standing over her. And then, I think there was a second time he had shown up to the house and did, had like grabbed her.
And it's the third.
Yeah, but this isn't the common law where someone's a
No,
piece
they're
of chattel, man.
They're married, but they have filed for divorce.
Okay.
And so our complainant essentially, I mean, when we spoke to her, she confirmed the events and she essentially just wants him to get help with his mental health issues. So all of that is to say that if we amend his conditions on the deferred adjudication to include, I don't know if he needs to be TRAS first. to see
No,
if
that's
there's a recommendation.
absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I would 100%. And I would venture a guess probably BIP is a,
I think it's already on there, he's already doing that.
Probably with an assault family member.
Oh, yes, 261, sorry. 261 2996.
the impeding breath that was dismissed last year.
That's the underlying case here.
It was refiled into our assault. He
Yes.
pled guilty, was on probation.
And now there's a.
My
This might
concern
help you.
also, Herman, is that he tests negative. So I want him to stop using.
Even if he has a compassionate use.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, there are other ways that you can cope or find ways to without having to use marijuana. So that's something that else.
I don't know when's the last time he's tested positive, but because that wasn't, I think these marijuana allegations.
Well, I mean, I gotta venture, I guess I've ordered him not to use and I hope
No,
that.
yes, no, I'm just addressing the MAJ.
There was also a positive methamphetamine test.
But he's prescribed medication that would test positive for the same. He has a lot of issues from his.
No. You'll test positive for amphetamine, not methamphetamine.
I think there's overlapping in certain
He
drugs.
tested positive for methamphetamine on July 25th, 2024. And then August 27th, 2024, it was only amphetamine tested. So that one was a true positive. And then after that, it's a prescription medication.
So let's do this. Let's set him up for a TRAS now.
Okay,
And
it's
then
not here, but I'll,
So set him for next week,
okay.
have him come, we'll do a TRAS and then we'll go from there.
And then another good thing, there is now, I think, a 2 or 3 year protective order that she obtained in,
Through the domestic violence court?
yes,
It's a 10-year protected.
10 years. That's
No,
even better.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah, so that,
Hey, I saw Lifetime not too long ago. They were getting lifetime
yeah,
protective
so,
orders, so,
so that, takes care of
Yeah.
any issues that get for
Sure.
that.
okay.
Okay,
So pick a day next week, have him
Sure.
come and then we'll do a TRAS. Okay. Mr. Kim, can I talk to you real quick? Philip, you ready?
I'm ready, Judge.
Hey, so good news, they're gonna get dismissed in Tennessee. I am going to wait for it to come in, but the reason why I wanted to approach, if he has a defense attorney up there, I'd really check in, because I think there was a misunderstanding that led to this charge. Then that's pretty much where I'm gonna leave it at. So I just recommend speaking with whomever he spoke with up there. But as it pertains.
Yeah, he
to
called
the
me about,
Well,
When are you
Yeah,
gonna
perfect.
dismiss this fugitive case?
whenever I get the confirmation, whenever I get the written release from the ADA. So he's gonna email it to me, and once I have it, I'll send it over to our sheriff.
I can sign it, Philip, until 3 o'clock. I'm around, so he's got my cell phone. But, just loop him in if you're gonna text me so we're all together.
It's just gonna take a little bit of time because it's 9 charges, so it's gonna be a minute. He's processing them right now, but I have to forward them all to the sheriff's office, our sheriff's office, and then that'll process the release. So it's gonna be today. It's gonna be this morning. Or afternoon, but I just don't know how early.
thank you very much for your diligent work today. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Do
All
you
right,
want me to
thank
set a
you, Judge.
bond or no?
Well, I don't know. It sounds like it's a matter of difference of hours, and I don't know if it gets confusing. I don't want to
Well, like I
confuse the
said, I can
jail
sign
if
it
they're like
until
processing him out on a bond and then it's
3:30-ish.
dismissed.
Right. Because even assuming that that's not true, then even if there is a bond, then you have to have conditions for the self-surrender. So it opens up a different can of worms.
Yeah, my concern with setting a bond would be that he gets into like one line and he's supposed to be in the other line, and then
Yep.
it causes confusion at the jail and it actually takes longer. So I think as long as Dave's being diligent, which I have no reason to believe that he's not, and same with the prosecutor in
No,
Tennessee, then
Dave's the best man.
He's on it, yeah.
We've had trials together.
yes, I think that we're on good footing. So I appreciate everybody's work and accommodation.
Okay, you've got the family here too. You want me to just let them know that they're gonna
Yes.
get, the case will be
Yeah, I think they
dismissed
can-
here some point today and then he'll be released. Okay? Okay, guys.
All right.
Okay.
Thank
All
you,
right,
everyone.
Philip.
Bye.
Thanks.
See you next time.
All right,
Can we get those, Judge?
please.
Miss Taylor is here, so whenever you're ready, I know you have. a little
Okay,
bit.
let me get them done and then we'll do it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Hi, Joseph. How are you, man? What's up?
I have a case on the docket.
Okay,
Julio Lopez.
okay.
On him, we're applying for a PTI.
I have here that you guys since March have been applying.
We haven't received the items from my client yet.
So I'm gonna set him for Monday, let him know he's gotta be here Monday. And then if he doesn't have it turned into you Monday, let him know I'm gonna roll him to Tuesday. And then I'm gonna roll him to Wednesday and Thursday and Friday until he gets it to you.
All right.
Who's next?
My other one is Mr. Alain.
What, just starts with an A?
Yes, ALL.
I see it, okay, oof.
They just.
No
5 minutes
case,
ago,
Judge.
Sheriff Holmes discovered it.
In all case, Judge, I had to re-request it through our admin and he got it back. So I just released it.
Do you have everything now?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 days. At that time, it's clear trial. Okay, And then the defendant must be here. He must, at the next setting, accept the plea bargain agreement, or we're gonna set up a trial. I don't know if they're gonna, are you at 2,635 days, is PTI an option? So if that's something that you are interested in, Joseph, it needs to be done before the next setting.
We'll review everything.
Okay,
ASAP.
okay.
Thanks, Judge. Thank you.
Judge Mayor.
Hi, Mr. Clay. Good morning.
I'm here on ethical wages.
Okay,
And state not have worked out a PTI offer. He's going to do anchor management, 20 hours of community service, and no contact with the complaining witness.
okay. We'll give you 3 weeks. It's got to have it done. If it's not done within 3 weeks, let him know I'm rolling it day for day. The case is 220 days old. That's,
Understood.
it's got to be done, or let him know he's going to trial.
You bet, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You got it. Thank you.
Judge.
Hi.
Mr. Strong.
Okay,
I talked to Sean this morning, case from January, we didn't have the surveillance and the identity of the officer who was less than initially. So I was asking for a compliance second of that.
it's 114, so it's still relatively young. Tell
So
me,
Walmart that judge, so,
aren't they usually pretty good about getting it to you?
usually they are. So I don't know what's going on. I can ask my admin about it. He's the one that usually pulls.
So let's do this. I'll roll it 2 weeks.
Okay.
Reach out to them, see what you can do. At that time, if it's not in by then, you'll be close to 150. At that point, I'll give you the compliance set.
Understood.
Yeah, okay. I want to be fair to them, and 114, it's not.
Well, yeah, but I think we're also dealing with retention, which is, I think, the bigger issues.
What do you mean?
Retention issues, whether Walmart's gonna keep that video or not.
Well, I get it, right. And at some point, we're going to hold their feet to the fire, but it's only 114 days old.
Understood,
I
Judge.
got to give them some time.
I'll give it.
Okay. Hey, lawyers, does anybody need anything? We're about to go on the record for a while. Anyone? Cynthia, I'm about to go on the record. Do you need anything? Are you good? Okay. All right, please do not talk. If you need to speak to anyone, please go outside. Do not use your phone. We're about to go on the record.
Do you want us to sit here, Judge, or we do it?
No, but come, just really. So I guess for purposes, we're not on the record yet. So just a brief roadmap. I'll announce the charges. I'm going to have counsel arraign. Well, first I'm going to see if you guys both waive on the record, jury. Once you both waive, at that point, let her know what she's charged with. I'll have you arraign, do your plea. At that point, any kind of openings, both waive the openings. Then I'll ask you your witnesses, and then, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. We are on the record in cause number 2596019. State of Texas versus Adrena Taylor. Ms. Taylor, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. Today is May 12th, 2026. It's approximately 10:46 in the morning. Will you guys please announce yourselves for purposes of the record?
John Hyde with the state of Texas.
Anna Eby, EADY, from the state.
Okay, ma'am. So like I said, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Today we have set a bench trial for this cause. State, for purposes of the record, are you waiving a jury?
Yes, Judge, we're waiving our right to the jury trial, and we're ready today.
And defense?
We are also waiving the right to a jury trial. We are announcing ready.
Got it. Okay. So both sides now having waived a jury, we will commence with a bench trial. Do you want to go ahead and arraign
Yes, sir.
this?
In the name and by authority of the state of Texas, comes now the undersigned Assistant District Attorney of Harris County, Texas, on behalf of the state of Texas, and presents in and to the Harris County Criminal Court at Law Number 5 of Harris County, Texas, that in Harris County, Texas, Adrena Taylor, hereafter styled the defendant, heretofore on or about December 6, 2025, did then and there unlawfully operate a motor vehicle in a public place while intoxicated against the peace and dignity of the state.
To which the defendant pleads,
Not guilty.
okay? Each side, do you have an opening
State waives its opening.
defense?
Defense ways also.
Okay. Mr. Hyde, do you have any witnesses or anything?
No, state rests.
Okay,
At this time, the defense are moving forward to the verdict. No evidence has been presented to overcome the presumption of innocence. We would ask the court to return a finding of not guilty.
okay, I'm gonna do that and then I'll grant the directed verdict and I guess we're done.
Okay.
All right,
Judge?
thanks. Off the record. Yep, okay,
And you're gonna sign it, Judge?
no.
Of
course.
I
Yeah, I need it. I need to get it and once they filed the dismissal, I'll sign it. So yeah, obviously, when I get it, it's gonna take a little bit just to get it, so. What about the other case, the suspended license?
That will.
Sure. Okay, cool. So how long have we said this? But tell her she still can't drive. Let her know, no driving. Okay, okay. So let her know that Veronica know that we're done with bond conditions of possibility of the eyes of concern, because that's over. The only thing she has open is the BWI, so just know that.
That's something that's no way to check.
Yeah. it was-
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Thanks, Ramona.
I mean, if we're gonna go to police station. Some point, or we may want to. Environmental.
I've never done this.
Inspection. Drive in. If you're asking me personally, what do I care? I mean, so I can. Normally, it should be.
Yeah.
We normally have a new driver today, because it's harsh. And so I'm trying to take people are so brief, which is.
How about, I was saying, was.
If it includes the vehicle, that's not. Then, yeah, it'll be that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I think it's a little bit, yeah, we're going to do that.
You're telling me, actually, a vehicle that's not salvage, it's just. And if that was the case, you can show me he's got a registered vehicle that does not have some of the shop.
Okay, I just think we have to make sure.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So she can just. This is and bring them over.
Okay.
And nobody would have offered, I don't know that it's gonna be, all I mean. I don't know that that's talking about.
I still need to open it up, but it's still. They just cut out this one.
Sure.
City. That's in the auction, you say that right?
One very long, but you guys are kind of like this old, we work upstairs.
Hey,
What's up? Not often you walk into the courtroom and see a direct verdict being granted. That was it.
on a bench trial, no less,
On a bench
right?
trial.
Yeah.
Watch the state just say no evidence. And then-
It doesn't happen many times in life, that's for sure.
Yeah, they had a different story. DeAndre Thompson. We worked out an agreement on the case.
What have you worked out? PTI?
So, yeah, he's
Okay.
got to either provide insurance of another vehicle that's not the salvage vehicle, or complete a driver's safety course and do 3 hours community service. Either one of those two.
So either get insurance or the other two? I mean, how much easier can it get?
Not much easier.
Right.
But, I need a little more than 2 weeks.
Why? Just to get insurance?
Well, honestly, Judge, you're still looking at a little money.
Okay, how much time do
It's
you
not
want?
your problem.
How much time do you want? Fine, but that's it. That's the last setting. It's gotta be, okay, I got you, for sure. So at that setting, he's gotta be here. He's either done or it's clear trial. Yeah, okay, for sure. Counsel,
Good morning.
oh, you waiting for that? Yeah.
Well, I don't think that.
There's a kid who can do it. Those good.
Everything from. They're good. Now I just say. As the is from here. Well, that's like, just like. Did you talk to Bill? She says still waiting.
Who?
Bill.
I already talked to him. We're done. Yeah, they're gonna, he's gonna dismiss it.
I'm filing this. Right.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, they're dismissing it, so it's taken care of. Boy, what a heck of a mix-up, huh, Day? Oof, what a heck of a mix-up.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, all right. How do you easy car?
Where.
It's like the calmest. On. This, we've got to go forward when he went outside the car, they started playing it again. And then he gets on the hood of the car, and he's already pushed her down, and now she's bleeding. So then, so he's like, you go to the hospital. And he was trying to stop it, and she has. When he's trying to stop bleeding, because she had fully done CPS at the supervisor. But yeah, child, another child. Okay. He's on the phone, CPS. He's there.
Okay, try to place the ball like this.
You know, his CPS was.
Just brush it down. He was not doing this. No one that happens.
This under, you know, so. You know, guys. So. How many years is that? Are you freshman?
I'll send her in you.
The email is this child. Okay. Just see the video and think on this all.
Judge Fraser, please.
Yeah.
So Mr. No, it is.
Yeah. Thank you. Mr. Nucci, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended and invalid. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 2 days that you've done. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. It's very possible now DPS suspends your license again because of this. I wouldn't drive until you contact DPS to find out. Otherwise, you're going to be right back in here. You pick up another case, it's now a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks, counsel.
You can do that with the at the first floor.
Mr. White, ready?
Judge, Mr. Ronnie,
She received a phone call yesterday from pretrial, and they're upset with her, and they wanted to come in and turn her GPS and her scram in, because it was a condition of her bond, which no longer exists here. So I don't want her to go turn it in unless you're okay with her turning it in. If they don't want her to have it when she goes to the jail on June 1st to do her 10 days. I know that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna turn it in 2 weeks before though.
Okay,
No
so
way.
what's the mechanism for us
So
to
the
continue?
day before or the day of when she goes in, she has up until 6 PM. She's got to go turn it in the morning.
Okay, so, but in the interim, I think the pretrial was paying for those devices.
Okay.
So do we need to change her conditions of probation to include that? And then now she has to go pay for the devices and get new devices, because she may have to turn these in and then go get them on her own.
Why?
Because it's
I
the county and
haven't
information.
stopped paying for it. I don't understand what you're saying.
She's getting a call from pretrial saying, get your butt down here and turn this stuff in.
I've not ordered her to turn it up, to undo it.
So when your case got dismissed, then pretrial supervising those conditions when she tracked it over to probation.
So now she's just probation, so she's no longer pretrial. So pretrial's like, you don't have
Oh,
to
I
bond
see.
it.
Right.
So,
Yeah. She'll have to start paying for it. So we'll remove these once she gets the other one in place, though. She'll have to do that.
she has to go get them.
Yeah.
It's 2 weeks.
Yeah, she's got a felony DWI. She's got on probation for DWI. I'm not gonna
But she hasn't
hope and
done it.
wish and
She
pray,
hasn't
Mr.
done
White.
the bond.
I don't care. I'm not gonna hope and wish and pray she doesn't drink, especially knowing that she's going to jail for a week.
Okay. Okay, if it's easy as that, I have no
Yeah.
problem with it, Judge. I just don't want her to have to go turn these in, then go get new devices, and obviously, I'm assuming the court does not want her to get the new devices until she, or turn the old ones in until she's got the new ones. I don't want there to be like a
Right.
3-day gap. Okay, if she can just switch the self-pay, I'll talk to you about that. That way I don't have to. Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. This poor guy, every time I come here, I'm talking about the same thing. The case isn't even hearing yet. Sean.
Hey, he just sits there, man.
I know, he just. Oh. So. Okay. Yeah, okay, all right. Thank you. It's a good move. Yeah.
Hey, man, what's up? Good to see you, man.
Good seeing you too.
The man of the hour. The man of the hour.
No, you know, trying to do what I gotta do. You're the man of the hour all the time. You know?
I hear about you.
It's not me.
Everybody loves.
Wait, what happened with Andrade?
So, I don't know why they kicked me off, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm trying to make sure Martin was taken care of. I mean, so I'm dealing.
Oh, right,
We're
right.
good, Judge.
Okay, I know what you're talking about. All right.
You think, yeah. You'll say yes, he's in the back. Go off to the back.
Yes.
He didn't even know the word. He thought, oh, some bullshit. Okay, that doesn't tell me anything.
Oh, no, that's for PC. I was fine.
Really, it's what it is. Okay. Thank you.
Actually, the tastiest thing I had. But I spoiled it and let it air dry out and then I popped it in. So. I have a lot, there was like this, like restaurant.
Hi.
Can I approach just for an informal question?
Sure.
So on Martinez, this was a fugitive case from yesterday, he wanted, the jurisdictions in Wisconsin, Kim confirmed that they do want it. I haven't discussed anything with client yet, so I wanted to ask you first. In the event that you set up a bond that we can't vote, before you set a bond at all, could you tell me what amount you would be considering so that we can?
Oh,
So
well, this is the
then-
guy that has multiple, it's gonna be really high.
I was gonna say, cause I'm still at none. I understand the theft is.
Yeah, I get, but the problem is that he just doesn't, I'm gonna,
Yeah.
first, I'm gonna get him to surrender a passport.
Okay.
And then it's probably gonna be at
Cause yesterday
least,
was no bond, Judge. That's what you said.
right, I mean, I wasn't considering any bond yesterday, but I mean, if you're really that 10,000 plus at
10,000
least,
plus.
yeah.
Okay, this is gonna, just wanna make sure, I'm not requesting it yet.
Yeah,
Just make sure,
at
right,
a
right.
minimum.
Okay.
I also was surprised. It's like, this is relatively low. That's like, nope, it's a felony. We're gonna condemn it. All right, well, okay.
Okay, all right, thank you, Judge, I'll be back.
Okay.
Are you with this gentleman right there? Are you with this gentleman right there? Hey, man, you, this is not the club, man.
It was unusually good. But no, I spent like good. Like 8 hours sleep.
Are they together?
I was also, yeah, I was. Subi, some of the other people, I was thinking tonight.
Oh, because yeah.
Daylights. You ever miss it? Yeah, but I don't miss it. No, but in the hours. Awful. I got the last time I left, I got 89, 50 hours. What year? Did you have? 24. 2014? Yeah. But I did miss it. You ever thought about what's in here? No, that is different. Yeah, but you could at least inspire the dishes and then. Yeah. I mean, I got to love out with the menu in a very comfortable way. And I get things like there was something started, what you get through being awful and then sell a business. Hey, it's just a different. Right. Even if I know. But I also did it. Or in trouble. Thank you, Bell, if you need help. I'll show up. Okay. My wife. LA is a weekend. Or to like a small person. But I was in service industry up to local gigs. So. Yeah. I used to work in a fresh market. They always had some issues, deals. That's, I mean, that's where I learned to go. There's always like, it's pretty butcher. So but you know, I had a restaurant, but this has been real handy. It's really organized. Realized it's like that steak. But yeah. I tried my into the brisket. Months ago. Barely fit. And I also, I trimmed off the sides, squared it off, and grind that for hamburgers. To a really good brisket burger.
Hey, do you want to go to the list? No, yes, maybe. Hi.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, come on up. Hey,
What's up here, another off-topic matter?
sure,
Susanna Saldana.
okay,
It was about a bond condition situation. You, imposed a, curfew on her
yep,
and you put a ankle monitor on her.
Yep.
Because of her behavior.
Yep.
You told me to come back when she had a schedule so we could modify her.
well, she's saying, yeah, I gotta work at night, yet,
Right. She works from 5 PM to 10 PM.
okay,
And just here's her schedule. She works for the Energy Towers. They do housekeeping.
okay,
And so she gets off at 10 PM, goes home.
great.
So we're asking for the curfew to be modified to 12 midnight. to
Why
8
from
a.m.
10 to 12 though? It doesn't take her 2 hours to get home,
Well,
does it?
Well, she works from 5 to 10 and she says
I
that she
get it.
has to ride the bus home. And by the time she gets home.
Buses
about
don't go at
12.
10 PM, do they?
Yeah, I believe so. That's what she told me. She said she said I ride the bus home.
Show me, I'd like to know where she lives
Okay.
because I'm happy to give her the schedule, but a 2 hour all the way home, that sounds kind of a little unbelievable.
I agree.
I mean,
But-
I ride the parking ride and I live out in Fort Bend, so for me, it takes an hour and a half. So it's not too far out. I don't know where this person lives, but if it's on the extremes, it's not.
Well, I mean,
I'm
just,
just going to look on the portal and find out
Just
where
find
our
out.
address is. Yes, sir.
well, no. Ask her what the address is, because a lot of times this is different than,
Gotcha.
yeah.
She just texted me this morning. I'm gonna text her now.
Yeah.
I'll stand down.
Thanks. Michael,
Question for John, it's not is Mr. McKnight.
okay,
I've got the scram, he's had a bad rash, it went to his arms too. He's on steroids, he's sure on her.
so have him, he can put it on the other one, on the other ankle?
I
What's your cause number?
Well, right now, it is, 261
Okay,
8828. Once it looks like on her.
no, I don't know. I don't want to look at his leg.
It's really bad.
Wait. I have someone else as a hired lawyer.
Brandon, no?
No.
Wrong.
261-8828.
Yeah.
I have
Oh,
some,
no, it's not wrong.
you know who he's talking about? Do you have it?
I do have to get pulled up.
But is it his or someone else?
No,
Right.
it's.
So he's got a different
It's
night.
261
Okay,
5546. It's 99.
that's it.
261.
Yeah, the reason is because he's on his third DWI in about
Yes.
2 years.
He's got a back,
Great.
rash.
So we'll put it on the other leg. I'm happy to put it on the other leg, but I'm not taking it off.
Okay. let's
He's
try that.
3 DWIs in 2 years. It's,
We'll try that later.
put it on the other leg.
But the rash is going to his hands too, so I don't know.
Then that's got to be something different. If you have a rash on your leg and then now it's going to your arms, probably need to see a doctor.
He did get hit. They're not steroids. Those worse than 2 days ago. It's better now.
Great, that's what steroids do, but I'm not, he's got way too many DWIs to take it off. I'm not gonna, but put it on the other leg. I'm happy to do that. Thanks, Mike. Hey, hi, Adam. Okay.
Except they locked.
Okay, is she here? Okay.
Okay.
Ms. Hill, come up. Go around, please.
Judge.
So this is a first setting.
Yes. She was supposed to be out of county, due to athletic.
I was wondering why. Okay. So the cases in Jefferson County, are they now over with or are they still open? Do you know? Okay. So Ms. Hill, you're charged with possession.
The judge, they are over with the Jefferson County case.
They are still open?
Or no, they're closed.
Oh, closed. Okay. You are charged with possession of a criminal instrument, specifically a magnetic detacher. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Okay.
On March 28th in Harris County, officer working an extra job at the Galleria Mall was notified by mall security of a shoplifting incident at Spencer's. The defendant was detained and a search revealed a silver-colored metal magnet apparatus inside the defendant's purse that the officer believed was used to demagnetize security sensors for merchandise. Officer also found several merchandise items on the defendant's person and in her purse.
Got it. Okay, Ms. Hill, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to be in possession of any more criminal instruments and not to go to the Houston Galleria. If you violate these conditions, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail or you pick up a new case, I'm just gonna revoke and erase and I'll just keep doing it over and over. I will protect my community at all costs. Do you understand? We have given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging, then likewise, a warrant will issue. For now, I'm gonna have you go to Victoria. Will have you sign a reset. I'm gonna have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Please. And then those, yeah, okay. Thanks, Adam. Hi, Neil. What's up, man?
Hopefully fairly quick, it's an off docket.
What's your cause number?
His number is 260-9171, and it's as it relates to pretrial bond conditions, Mr. Saldana. He has been given a job opportunity in Michigan. And so we're asking the court to modify bond conditions to allow him to travel/move out of state. And B, if this appearance is going to be limited to potentially Zoom until we close the pretrial conference.
So where are we headed with this case anyways? Let me
Probably
keep.
trial unless the state wants to dismiss. He's not, it's one of those, it's.
I get it, but I mean, he can't just indefinitely go because he's got bond conditions, right? We need to keep up with him somehow.
Or if there's a restriction to remain within Harris County.
Okay, I'll take that restriction off, but he has to stay in contact with you, obviously.
He has been. That's how I know it's on the trial.
Nice.
And.
Well, okay, great. And that's all we ask for, stay in contact.
I can say that there's not gonna be a lack of contact.
Well, Neil, but you gotta apprise him though. If I find that he picks up a new case, I'm gonna put a warrant on him and I don't care where he is, what he's doing, if he picks up a new case, if he violates conditions. And at some point, we'll have to put that to bed. He'll have to be here. We don't do remote appearances. At some point, he's gonna have to come back and we'll have to take care of it. So,
Sure, and I'm just always worth, I think the complainant has moved to Illinois, actually, maybe. Just for the sake of the community aspect, just letting your honor say no, that I think the complaint might be the back.
well, yeah, that's between you guys. I don't
Should get
care.
in Illinois or a little bit closer than Texas and Illinois, but.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll waive the appearance for the case is only
It's very.
2 months old, right? So we'll give you quite a few settings, but nearing about the 150-day mark at that point, we're gonna have to set it or,
Of course,
yeah.
they could plan to come in for a pre-trial conference if we get to that point.
Got it.
All right.
Okay, thanks, Neil.
Come in and sign.
No, wait a minute.
Thank you, Doug.
Yeah, for sure. Bye, Neil. Hey.
Hey, Judge, I am approaching on a motion to return property that should be in your queue on Jose Maso Barra. It's a fugitive case. The state has filed an omni on it. He was able to take care of those.
Is this the
Yeah, that's the
passport?
passport,
Yeah, for sure. I'll sign.
Perfect.
Yep.
Thanks, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Gerald.
Judge, Ms. Saldana lives at 3909 Cedar Hill, which according to MapQuest is 59 in Hopper Road, north side of downtown.
Okay,
NRG towers are located downtown here, 1301
it
McKinney.
shouldn't take 2 hours to get home, though.
According to MapQuest, it does, an hour and 45 minutes
What?
by Metro, the number 6 Jensen bus.
Does that,
So when I was putting Google Maps to map out the route from the energy to her address, it does say that she's an hour and 45 minutes on the 6 bus.
does she have a GPS she has a GPS monitor on, correct? Okay, so let her know that we're gonna know exactly where she is at all times. The only thing she's allowed to do is work and go back home. She cannot go to Dairy Queen. She cannot go to Wendy's. She cannot go to get gas. She cannot do this, that. She goes to the bus stop and gets her butt home. Must be home by at least, at a minimum, midnight. If she's 1 minute off, I'm gonna throw her in jail and let her know. Okay? All right?
Will do.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. So this is only for the days that she's working. On any other day, it's the normal conditions. So only the 5 days she's working, she gets to stay at that length. Okay, so she'll have to provide a weekly or monthly schedule, so we know what her,
Gotcha, I got a 2 week schedule here.
great, okay,
She is,
waive it.
well, she's required to report to our office today, so she needs to be selected.
Is she reporting for what?
She was selected for random drug testing.
Then, yeah, she's gotta go.
And she knows that, just talking to her, she knows that, she's on her way
Good.
down here now.
Okay, great. All right.
Fantastic, thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Anna.
you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mayor, some news for judgment. Sorry, just if you could announce.
Oh, here we go. Okay, yeah, there it is.
The pretrial needs it.
I got it. I'm setting it right now.
Somebody wants a glass of milk.
Done. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thanks.
Yeah, you know, I love your presence, but it's not usually this long. But I want to be. Yeah, and I did. For any of your defendants against.
There is one of those out, but you can't talk about it. A lot of things, a lot of actions. A lot of bills.
Oh, yes. That was the thing from the bill, because you've got along. We don't have any condition with that.
Never tried.
Miss Hill?
Or we don't have any condition. That's all I do, the line, thank you. Fusion team. Yeah, I guess.
Thanks again, Judge.
Take care.
I mean, also, it's a DWI, I don't think we're gonna pay for extradition.
It's good to see you. Young, hard-looking young ladies here, Judge.
I know, that's right.
Smile on their face. No, it's always hard working. There's that part.
Kitchen for the bill.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. But it's on.
I'm hoping that will extradite from them.
No, about the records. Not very civil security, I see.
When I ask you to raise your hand, and it's raised and
Oh,
yes. We're so happy at having my last. We just posted, we just didn't. Still here.
Yeah, for sure.
Right.
All right, good morning, Mr. Valdez. Sir, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 6-month deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation. If you complete successfully, there's no conviction on your record, but you give up so many important rights entering into this agreement. If you violate this agreement, you were looking at 180 days in jail. You understand? You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. You understand? As part of this agreement, you will do an anti-theft class, 6 hours of community service, no drugs, no alcohol. You will be tested. If I find that you're using, then you will go to jail. I'll have to issue a warrant. I'm going to put you in jail. We will have a hearing to determine if you violated. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty. I'm going to withhold that for 6 months. Where is this from?
Walmart.
Okay, while you're on probation, no going to any Walmart. You understand? All right, sir. Good luck. We'll have you see Shatori. Thanks. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Ray.
Successfully complete everything like that.
Sure. Yeah. Got to get everything done. Yeah. Okay. Done already? Done already?
The trial came,
And how'd it go?
pled mid-trial, but
Really?
I did take a witness and got
Need
to
a
go
credit
witness.
for a
There you
witness
go.
putting her in closing.
Yeah.
Good job.
Look at you, you're gonna be showing the justice.
Hey, you what about bottom of two?
They bonded out.
I see the.
Okay. Said top of 19?
Yes.
10,003.
Emails, like, look it up. I don't.
Council just got here, he's gonna average a lot of 47. Or don't work.
So.
Who?
There's some percent. There's a lot of percent.
No, I was probably trying to. But I haven't heard. My father, it just helps.
Is that the last thing? That's it?
I think we are just wait.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Because, yeah, yes, something's been necessary.
I needed my. Sorry, I've got witnesses.
It's, what is it, secret? Yeah, yeah, when you call.
Yeah, like the biggest agency.
That's about it.
Okay,
Just let me know. Thank you.
thank you.
Sure. Your guy is here? I would so. No, well, I'm on board, because there's nothing to do.
Yeah, I mean, go. There's no reason for you to be here.
Yeah, never. So that is one part.
Don't matter. It's circumstances beyond your control, you know? Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
That's it.
just Whenever he gets picked up.
Whenever he gets picked up, he gets
then
picked
we'll
up.
come back.
Just hang tight, hang tight. We'll try it. Just
I'm gonna release.
release your witnesses. We can't just hold people in the hopes and wishes and praise that he shows up when at some point he'll get picked up and we'll deal with it at that time. Yeah.
Don't you dismiss this case. Don't you do it.
We're done. You good?
She's literally the whole other thing for the last one, like she's.
Oh, what is she, for a waiver or something?
I don't know yet. I don't know. It's literally the last one, and she's literally in there. I too am not happy.